Welcome to a deep dive into the Tesla Model Y's often overlooked backseat features. Beyond the sleek exterior and advanced tech, the rear of this car holds some surprising functionality. In this video, we'll reveal 5 hidden tips and tricks to maximize your Model Y's backseat experience, perfect for families and anyone seeking extra convenience. These tips will cover storage, comfort, and the integration of Tesla's smart features, all updated for the latest 2025 models. First up, the fold-flat seats. Forget struggling with awkward cargo. The Model Y's 60/40 split rear seats fold completely flat, expanding your cargo space from 27 to a whopping 68 cubic feet. Access this feature using the one-touch buttons in the trunk or via the Tesla app. This is based on a simple hinge design that locks securely. We'll show you how easy it is to transform your Model Y into a cargo hauling machine, perfect for bikes, luggage, or even camping gear. Stay tuned for a real-world example of how this helps. Tired of messy car interiors? The Model Y has hidden storage compartments beneath the rear seats. These are perfect for stashing charging cables, adapters, emergency kits, or any small items you want to keep out of sight. We'll demonstrate how to access these compartments and offer clever ideas for organizing your essentials, keeping your car clutter-free, and ready for anything. You can even store solar chargers for off-road trips. Keep your passengers happy with independent rear HVAC controls. The Model Y allows rear passengers to adjust their temperature without affecting the front. Access these settings through the touchscreen. This system is powered by Tesla's efficient heat pump. As of the FSD Supervised V13 update, Tesla offers enhanced seatbelt reminders and adaptive climate control for increased comfort. Owners also report programmable backseat climate presets via the app, enabling everyone to enjoy their personal comfort zone, especially on long trips. In the Model Y's backseat, you'll find integrated USB-C ports and wireless charging pads. These connectivity hubs ensure everyone's devices stay powered up on the go, which is fundamental to Tesla's ecosystem of seamless connectivity. No more fighting over chargers. The USB-C ports are located conveniently in the backseat area for easy access. You'll also find wireless charging pads in the center console, providing a clutter-free way to charge compatible devices. Many owners use these to power tablets and e-readers for a quiet and enjoyable ride. We'll point out the location of these ports and offer tips for cable management to keep the backseat tidy. The Model Y prioritizes safety, even in the backseat. It includes latch anchors for secure child seat installation and adjustable headrests for optimal comfort and protection. These features tie into Tesla's overall safety suite. Latch anchors are located in the outer rear seats, providing a standardized way to secure child seats. This ensures stability and safety during travel. Adjustable headrests can be positioned for the best fit, offering support and reducing injury risk in case of impact. Memory foam adds comfort for longer trips. We'll demonstrate how to properly use these features to ensure your passengers are safe and secure. Tesla's emergency braking system also prioritizes backseat occupant protection. Let's look at some real-world examples. One family transported bikes using the fold-flat seats and stored tools in the hidden compartments. Another parent relied on the rear air vents to prevent overheating during a summer drive with kids. Finally, kids used the USB-C ports for their tablets, providing a quiet ride. These examples highlight the practical value of these hidden features. The future of Tesla Model Y backseats focuses on personalization and immersive experiences. Expect AI-powered features that automatically adjust seat positions based on passenger profiles. Tesla's roadmap includes potential AR overlays on rear screens for entertainment. Battery advancements will enable more efficient heated and cooled seats. While competitors adopt similar trends, Tesla leads with OTA-enabled enhancements. By 2027, AI-personalized controls will become widespread across the industry.